Hey YouTube, I'm going to be showing you how to get the blue check mark on Twitter. For those of you who actually want to buy Twitter Blue, I'm not going to buy it in this video, but I'm going to show you what to do to get it. So you see there's my username right there. Just click on Twitter Blue. Then from there you click on subscribe and you should get the blue badge. I'm not going to subscribe because I just personally think it's mid, and this just causes more misinformation to be spreaded on Twitter now. Like, troll accounts can get verified now, and then people will actually think, oh, that's the actual source, but no. I did say this on Twitter that I think Elon Musk is money hungry on this at this point, because he's literally making a price on verified. It's just no. And yeah, that tweet might have gotten 1 like, but still, it's literally what I think about it. Ooh, I'm gonna have to censor that when I edit this video. All right, see you guys later. Bye. Oh wait, hold on. Also, you get this automatically. I don't know why, but without Twitter Blue, you get verified tab for some reason. Anyway, bye.